Hello and welcome to Dhyey Consulting's Credit and Vendor Invoice Management Power BI app. At Dhyey, we have set out to implement projects that help you monetize your data. We design apps and dashboards focusing on leading KPIs and tailor our solutions specific to processes businesses like yours seek to optimize. You can now employ historical data and often incorporate external factors to generate actionable insights that can help you navigate your day to day business activities and refine your strategies in a rapidly changing environment. This dashboard helps you track outstanding balances, manage vendor invoices, and monitor credit exposure across customers, enabling tighter financial control and timely follow ups. For example, when you filter by vendor or customer, you can instantly identify who holds the highest remaining balance. Using the due date filter, you can then pinpoint which specific order IDs or invoice IDs need immediate attention based on payment status and due dates. Like this, you can streamline payment prioritization, improve cash flow visibility, and reduce the risk of delayed collections or blocked orders.